You ever see those videos where they make something simple look super complicated? Yeah, that ain't this. This is a 2025 Dodge Durango, and we're going to be removing the window sweep today. This is going to be perfect for all of you bottom loaders. This one is super simple, so let's get to it. One trim piece, one bolt. So first things first, tools you're going to need. Teeny tiny screwdriver or pry tool if you want to be a little bit safer. You're going to need a drill, or if you want to be Amish, you can do it by hand, whatever. I got shit to do, so. 10 millimeter socket. That's pretty much it for this one. So first thing, you're gonna look right behind the door handle. There's one little panel there. If you pop your screwdriver in right behind the handle and put it in the right spot, this trim piece just pops right off. It clips in 3 different spots. Nice and easy one. All right, so now this bolt is going to be your 10 millimeter bolt. Some of these can be tight. Crank up your torque when you're removing. Don't forget it to turn it back down when you go to reinstall it. You don't want to be breaking nothing. Just like that. Pop this up, and you see this screw right there. You're not going to do anything with that. I just thought I'd do that because I like my own humor. For the next step, you're going to need a little bit of strength. Put your knee against the door, and all you're going to do is dig your fingers in, pull back a little bit up.
You're just going to feel a bit of pressure here, little fellow.
And pull. Then you can just reach right in. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, there's something sharp in there. Don't do that. You're going to reach right in carefully, pull your sweep out. Now you're good to go. Just put your protection on here to cover up the panel. Yes, you want to do that. Everything is cheap now. Assume it is all terrible and it's going to stain anytime you look at it. This is a Dodge Durango. This is not some high-end Italian sports car. Protect your panels. When you're going to put it back in, after you've done the tint, obviously, sweep goes in. Make sure everything is lined up. Give it that nice chiropractic. And then we do everything in the exact reverse order. Put your screw in, put your panel back on, clean everything up, and now you're good to go. This one is easy, like 1 out of 5 difficulty. Don't even have any fuzzy seals to worry about. Super easy window to remove the sweeps for.